Assalamu alaikum kids, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am fine too. Our today's topic is brr. Okay, when B and R comes together, they make the sound brr. Okay, we are going to read the word that begin with the same sound brr, a, m, brim. Okay, let's sound it out and read brr, a, m, brim. Brr, a, sh. S and H are two letters, but they make one sound sh, and this is called a digraph. In English term, when two letters make one sound, this is called digraph. Brr, a, sh, brush. Follow the dots, everyone. Brr, ow. O and W comes together and they make the sound ow. Brr, ow, n, brown. Brr, a, k, break. C and K is also a digraph because they make the one sound and they are two letters. Brr, a, k, break. Brr, I, d, bride. Brr, a, n, bran. Goodbye everyone. Do your own practice. Stay blessed.